Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and EIN number in the state of Louisiana. This is going to be like a walkthrough tutorial, so click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours, so it'll be like a 5-minute walkthrough tutorial, and like I said, within 5 minutes or so you're going to be completely done filing your LLC. So again, click that link and let's just get right into it. All right. So it's going to take you to the 𝗤𝙁 brand's website, and we're going to click Louisiana. And now you can type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC in your state. So I do eyelash extensions. And now you're just going to click the stage that you're in with your business. And you can type in the industry. You can see as I type a letter in, they have tons of options. So you'll probably find the category you fall into. And then, are you selling either a good or service or both? Are you planning to hire employees? So let's say you don't have employees, file your LLC, and then you decide you do want some. It's completely fine. It's not going to change your filing at all. And if you don't have a storefront, you can use your home zip code. And then you're going to click if you're selling online, on the go, or a shop or store. And today I'd like you to click LLC and EIN in blue. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need an EIN number. And honestly, this is why I like 𝗤𝙗 brands, because it's like a one-stop shop for everything business related. Like if I need, I don't know, a license, a license for something or a logo created, it's all here. So I just like that it's like one place for all of it. We could skip this survey and discover 𝗤𝙗 brands through YouTube. You guys, 𝗤𝙗 brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I always take it because it's free, and if I can learn something that helps me make more money, amazing. If you want to skip it, that's fine also. And now you can type in your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, do you want 𝗤𝙗 brands to create your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you decide to do it on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. Just keep in mind, through that website, you can only do it Mondays through Fridays. And for me personally, I feel like government websites are really outdated and difficult to navigate. So I feel like it's completely worth it for $99 to have 𝗤𝙗 brands do it for me. And as far as assigning a registered agent in Louisiana, it's basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail in regards to your business. So if you live in Louisiana and you're opening your LLC in Louisiana, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this won't apply if you live in some other state like California and you're opening an LLC in Louisiana, then you would need to appoint someone that lives in Louisiana. But most of you guys watching will be this option. You sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, they'll warn you a few times and then they'll hit you with a bunch of late fees and fines. So we want to avoid that, right? So if you're really busy with your business, you have a lot going on, 𝗤𝙗 brands can renew it for you every single year automatically. It's $199 a year. Definitely something to consider. If you don't want to spend that money and you can do it on your own, click this option here. And I'm just going to click no on the branding toolkit. And for just $49, you can get your LLC in just 2 days from now. And you don't need an operating agreement, so let's click this. Would you like a formation kit? I'm just going to skip this one. And definitely a service that I recommend to check out if you're really trying to get serious and expand your business. 𝗤𝙗 brands offers a service where they're going to get you super organized with your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices, all that good stuff, so you know exactly where every single cent is going in your business. They give you a free trial and some price plans at the end. Like I said, definitely recommend to at least check it out and see if it helps you level up. If you don't want it and you want to manage on your own, you can click this option here. Yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And for today, there's no need to pay anything extra, so let's just get this light plan here. Now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Louisiana state filing fee is $105. That's just the mandated state fee. We're getting that free coaching program, and we're paying for the 2-day filing. Now, this will be your grand total. After your LLC is created and filed, then you will be charged for the EIN. So don't be surprised when that other charge comes through. It's like a 2-step process. So now you can go through to pay. After you pay, they're gonna ask you what address you wanna use. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, on the go. I don't have like a storefront address. So I always use my home address. And I promise you, they don't bombard you with junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. No like third-party junk mail coming in. It's literally just to have on file and contact you if they need something in regards to your LLC. So if you're selling online or you're on the go, I highly recommend to use your home address. If you do have a storefront, you can use that address as well. But that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and EIN number, and you can see how fast this was. This was like really fast, right? But if you have comments, leave them, below, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.